Here's how to make paintbrushes from natural materials such as grass, twigs and ivy, and make sure to stay to the end to see how we make paint out of the charcoal pencils we made in the last video. To make the paintbrushes, all you need is a stick, some string and the natural material of your choice. I'm starting off here with grass. All you need to do is gather the grass together in a bundle, place it around your stick and wrap the string around until it's nice and tight and tie it off at the end. You can also make these paintbrushes out of sticks and twigs. Ivy also works great for this, as the flat leaves give a great surface to absorb the paint for the paintbrush. When all your paintbrushes are done, it's time to put them to the test. To make the charcoal paint, you'll want to gather your charcoal pencils in the container that you made them in. You'll need a big flat stick to mash and grind the powder, or pestle and mortar could work too. Then you'll need to start adding water little by little, and remember you can always add more, but you can't take it away. The more water that you add, the lighter the paint colour will be. The less water you put in, the more opaque and thick the paint will be, and will give you a better black colour. And if you give them a try, let us know which material you think has worked best. And if you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more forest school and outdoor learning activity ideas.